Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rebel Ratul. My ID number is 024222005171016. My presentation topic is implementation of heap and heap sort. Welcome to my presentation. Introduction. This presentation will cover the implementation of heap and heap sort algorithm. We will discuss the basic of heaps, their types, and how to build a heaps. We will also cover the heap sort algorithm and its advantage. Finally, we will conclude with a Q&A section. Now we talk about heap. What is heap? A heap is a binary tree data structure that satisfies the following properties. The root node is a maximum elements. Each child node is less than its parent node. Each child node has at most on child nodes. Basically, a heap is a data structure that organized elements, usually in an array, based on their properties and values. Type of heap. There are two types of heaps, max heaps and nim heaps. In a max heap, the parent's node is always greater than or equal to the children. In a nim heap, the parent's node is always less than or equal to the children. Heap sort algorithm. The heap sort algorithm works by first building a heap from the sorted array and then rapidly extending the largest element from the heap and place it in the beginning of the sorted array. This process continues until the heap is empty. Building a heap. A heap is a binary tree structure that can be visualized as a computer binary tree. In a heap, every node has a value greater than or equal to its children in a max heap and less than or equal to its children in a nim heap. To build a heap, we start that an empty binary tree and add elements to it one by one. Each new element is added as the last leaf node in the tree, and then we compare it with its parent node. If the new element is greater than its parent, then its max heap, or less than its parents is the nim heaps. We swap them. We continue this process until the new element is in its correct position in the heap. Advantage of heap sort. Heap sort has several advantages over than sorting algorithm and including efficient inserting and deletion operation, efficient search operation, low memory uses. Conclusion. In conclusion, heap is a powerful data structure that can be used to efficiently sort and search large collection of elements. Heapsort is a simple and efficient strongest algorithm that uses a heap data structure to sort a collection of elements. Thank you for listening to my presentation of heapsort algorithm and its advantage. Will now take some time to answer any question you may have. Thank you.